everyone, Josh here. Ever opened a video or photo and seen this? Don't panic, in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to fix them online for free and super fast. Let's start with videos. Go to repair.stellarinfo.com. This tool repairs a single corrupted MP4, MOV, AVI, or other video file completely free. The file size limit is 100 megabytes, so it's perfect for quick fixes without downloading any software. Click Upload Video, and you'll first see a quick sign up pop-up. Just create your free account with your email and password. Now, upload your corrupted video file. It'll then ask for a sample file. This is just a short, working video clip from the same camera or device, so the tool can match the correct format and settings. When both files are uploaded, click Start. The repair process happens instantly in your browser. You can preview the repaired video right there, and if it looks good, click Download to save the fixed file instantly. Now, let's fix broken photos. Head over to repair.stellarinfo.com/photo. This free tool lets you repair up to 3 JPEG or JPG images, with each file up to 20 megabytes in size. Click Add File, and again, you'll see the quick sign up pop-up. Enter your email, set a password, and you're ready to go. Upload your corrupted image, then click Start Repair. In seconds, you can preview the repaired photo right in your browser. If you're happy with it, just hit Download to get your restored image instantly. And there you have it. Both tools are totally free to use, quick, and super easy. Whether it's a precious family video or an important photo, you can bring it back to life in just minutes. Check them out now at repair.stellarinfo.com for videos and repair.stellarinfo.com/photo for images. This is Josh signing off. Happy repairing.